Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing how to add paragraph spacing in Microsoft Word. Do you need space between paragraphs without pressing enter 3 times? Let me show you the right way. So for example now, let's say I want this part of the book, the text personalized marketing and strategy, to be on another paragraph. I need to just click on enter, but as you can see there is no paragraph in between, the first paragraph. There's no space in between the first paragraph and the other paragraph. Okay, let me also click here, billboard advertisements, a good example. Let me click on that. I want that to be on another paragraph. You can see it is not reflecting. Okay, so what you need to do, if you want to, add space after paragraph or add space before paragraph, what you need to do is to first highlight your paragraphs, as I've put it here. Highlight your paragraphs. On the home tab, click the line and paragraph spacing icon. So I'll just highlight the text. Okay, now on the home, this home, right? Now you come here, then you click on this particular icon, line and paragraph spacing. Okay, then you will see these two options: add space before paragraph or add space after paragraph. So for me, I will select add space after paragraph. Okay, as you can see, the space, between the first paragraph and the second paragraph and the third paragraph is very much obvious now. Okay, so that is how to do it. It is very simple. Okay, so anytime you find yourself struggling to add space between paragraphs, and you're not getting it done unless you have to click on enter multiple times, this is just the best way to do it. Okay, so you highlight your paragraphs or like the text, then you come to home tab, select the H option, then and you're done. That is it. So it is very simple. It makes your book or article or whatever you're working on simple and makes it very clear. Okay, so that is it. Subscribe if this helped you today. I'll see you in the next one.